2. Hey everybody, I'm Andrew Starks, Director of Product Management for Macnica, and we're at InfoComm 2023, and we have some cool products here in our booth, but the one I wanted to highlight today is the M2S SDK. Now, if you know anything about open standards and AV over IP, then you've probably heard about IPMX. IPMX is based on SMPTE 2110, and the M2S SDK makes it simple for developers to bring SMPTE 2110 and IPMX content into the PC platform and process it, convert it, use it in OBS, use it in an engine, and also bring it out and as an IPMX or SMPTE 2110 compatible stream. So in the demonstration in our booth here, we're showing M2S integrated in with OBS, where it's taking in SMPTE 2110 streams, it's taking in IPMX streams, it's processing it and outputting it, and we're even receiving it here with our Macnica ME10 hardware. So software, hardware, working together, super low latency, and just as an extra cool thing, we know that a lot of software developers are turning to gaming engines like Unreal Engine and Unity. So over here, we've shown actually a Unity's developer environment, and we're showing SMPTE 2110 and IPMX video integrated in real time and with low latency right into Unity. So we've got all the tools, the documentation, the sample applications, and we have hardware, software, SoCs, everything a developer could possibly need for anything in their product lines to meet any challenge that their customers are facing in the market. So if you have any more questions, we'd love to hear from you. We're at macnicatech.com.